Dear students, the topic for this lecture is stop and wait ARQ. In this type of mechanism, the sender waits for an acknowledgement after it sends the frame, and when the acknowledgement is received, then only it sends the frame. It is an error control mechanism which is used to reduce or remove the error caused during the transmission of the frame. Let's see a diagram. This is sender and this is receiver. When sender sends the frame, this is data, and when the acknowledgement is received back, then only other data is sent. So in this type of mechanism, there is a guaranteed delivery of data since the receiver is acknowledging the recipient of frame. So in this type of mechanism, we basically consider for the three cases, that is damaged frame, lost frame or lost acknowledgement. Let's see the first case. Damaged frame. It is possible that when sender sends any data, it is damaged in between. So the receiver sends a NAAC, that is negative acknowledgement, and this ensures that the frame which is received by the receiver is not good. So the sender sends the data one again, and the receiver acknowledges it that the data one is received properly. Now let's go to the second case. Lost frame. It is possible that when the sender is sending any data, it is lost in between. So let's see by this diagram. This is sender, this is receiver. When sender is sending any data, it is lost in between, it is not received by the receiver, and sender waits for a waiting time and when the acknowledgement is not received, then the sender again sends this data 1, and when it is received by the receiver, it acknowledges. Now the third and the last case is the lost acknowledgement. It is possible that the data is received by the receiver and the acknowledgement is lost in between. Let's see by this. The third and the last case is lost acknowledgement. This is sender, this is receiver. Data is sent and the acknowledgement which receiver was giving is not received by the sender. So sender again sends this data after waiting a ransom amount of time. In this type of mechanism, there is a guaranteed delivery of data because every time when the sender is sending any data, it is acknowledged back by the receiver. Also, the cases which are damaged case, lost frame and lost acknowledgement, these are also ensured that it is possible that the frame can be damaged and the acknowledgement which is received sent by the receiver can be lost in between, and it is also possible that the data which is sent by the sender is also can be lost in between. So this method ensures all the three different cases and guarantees delivery of data. Thank you.